Aveeno team, and welcome to something brand new for 2015. It's Monday morning oatmeal. We're going to discuss oatmeal. No, not the oatmeal that's here in the breakfast bowl. We're going to discuss colloidal oatmeal that's found in our Aveeno products. This morning I'm going to share with you something that I'm doing in the field to help me be successful when discussing the triple oat formula with my dermatologist. Throughout the year, I'm going to reach out to each one of you, my teammates, and ask you to share your successes. How are you talking about the triple oat formula with your dermatologist to help us grow recommendations? Because that's what it's all about, is growing the recommendations. So let's get started. Come on over to the kitchen table. As you can see, here are some of our key Aveeno products that contain the triple oat formula. When I'm in the dermatologist's office, I like to have these trade sizes out so the doctor has a nice visual about the product that I'm discussing. I'll often ask the dermatologist, what do these products have in common? Oh, the answers I get. It's usually not the one I'm looking for, but that's okay, because this allows me the opportunity to go back and discuss with the doctor the triple oat formula and its benefits to their patients. So remind the doctor, this is unique to Aveeno. The triple oat formula contains colloidal oatmeal that's going to seal in moisture to the skin. Triple oat formula contains avene anthamides that's going to soothe irritation, and oat oil that's going to help repair the skin barrier. This benefit for the doctor is that their patients are going to be relieved from their itchy, dry skin. It's important to explain the ingredients, but it's also so important for making the connection, bring it back to the patient benefit. The other thing that is extremely important is that we mention to the doctor that this is unique to the Aveeno Skin Relief Cream, Skin Relief Lotion, Eczema Therapy, and Skin Relief Ointment. This is what differentiates us from the competition. It's also nice to have one of the small sample sizes out, so if the doctor wants to try the product, put it on his or her skin to see how it feels, it's a nice, quick, easy way to demonstrate the product. So Aveeno team, let's get out there, let's get selling, let's gain some recommendations, and let's utilize the good old oatmeal. Stir it up. We need to talk about oatmeal to grow those recommendations. So from my kitchen to yours, happy selling.